Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Colmi P78 smartwatch. It is the latest smartwatch from Colmi, and this wearable is equipped with health and fitness functions. Plus, it also has a support for the Bluetooth call and smart notifications. As you can see here, the wearable do have a function for the Bluetooth phone call. So we have here a phone call. What else? We also have a support for push notification. So we are going to have a demo of these functionalities. So if you are interested to see if how the Bluetooth call works with our Colmi P78 on Android smartphone, as well as the smart notifications, watch this video. Again, support our channel by liking this video, sharing it, or subscribing to our channel. Alright, so let's try and explore the Bluetooth call support as well as the smart notifications of the Colmi P78 smartwatch. We are already paired with the support app, the Colmi Fit application on Android smartphone. So let's check before we start. Let's check first the notifications. I don't know if I already activated some of the apps. We are going to use this one, Viber Messenger, Instagram, as well as the SMS. Okay, so let's try and explore. Let's check. Let's see if it's activated. As you can see, even the phone call notifications is not activated, but I'm pretty sure I already activated the permissions. So let's pick here Instagram. Let's look for the Viber. Okay, SMS. Yes, it's already here. Okay, then for the Bluetooth phone call, let's see. So we have the favorite contacts. Okay, so we are already added Cindy here. Let's add this one, Sam. Okay, are there any other settings? I guess none. Okay, seems like everything is okay now. Let's check here on the smartwatch if the Bluetooth phone call is activated. We have the phone call. Yes, we do have it here. Recent call, none. Dial pad, contacts. Okay, only one here. Let's go back. Okay, synchronize. Go back, contacts, favorite contacts. Okay, we did not save it. Sam, save, then pick done. Yes, we have it here now, Sam. Okay, so let's start. Let's go first with the smart notifications. So let's go first with the Instagram. Let's send some messages. Okay, let's send a message to Sam. How are you? Okay, hopefully we can receive notifications. Okay, message sent, I think. Is it working? Seems like we did not receive any notifications here. Okay, so we have it here. It's just delayed. How are you? Then another one. Okay, is it working? It's not yet. I will. Okay, we have it here now. Okay, is it working? Then Cindy, how are you? As you can see, let's check. So we don't have the time here, we don't have the date. Okay, but we have the logo and the name of the sender, and of course the message. So you have an option to clear the message. Okay, you have an option to delete it also or clear all. Going back to our Instagram, let's try to have a missed call. Okay, as you can see here, Instagram audio call. So you can receive the call notifications from Instagram. So let's end this. Okay. So far it works with Instagram. How about Messenger? Let's try Messenger here. Let's wait for it to load. Let's send a message to Sam. Hello, how? This is a test. Then let's add an emoji here. Let's see if it's going to work with our Colmi P78. Okay, delayed. Did you receive it? There's always a problem with our network. Okay, we have it here now. Just delayed. So we have here, did you receive it? We did not receive the first one, as you can see. Testing emoji. Message sent. We have it here. Okay, so there's no support for emoji, but we have here some details. Emoji, but there's no icon here or picture or image. Okay, we also have a logo of the Messenger. Okay, so it works with Messenger. Let's have a missed call here. Let's see if it's going to work. Calling and call. Can receive missed audio call. There's a delay right now on our network. And seems like I didn't receive or I did not feel any vibration when it comes to notification. So let's check settings, vibrate and ring. Okay, it is muted, that's why. Okay, let's have another one. Hi, how are you? There's always a delay when it comes to messages. Then settings, display. Okay, so I feel the vibration. Always display on. Do not disturb mode, display. I don't see any activate screen display when you receive a notification, only wrist raised. System here, none. Okay, so it seems like there's no option. Okay, so I guess that's it. You can only feel the vibration here when you receive a notification. Let's make it strong. Okay, so that's it. So it works with Messenger. Let's have the Viber account. Viber social app. So let's send a message to Sam. Let's say hello. Hello, friend. Then message sent. And we have the message here. Hello, friend. Okay, so it works. But there's no beeping sound as you can hear. Okay, only the vibration for messages. but so far it works. Okay, before we end, let's check again. Let's have a call notifications for Viber. Okay, outgoing call. Did receive any again? Yep, we have a missed call here. Okay, so it works with Viber. Next, let's have the SMS messages. Let's send a message to Sam again. This is SMS. Message sent. Okay. We have this message. This is SMS. So it works with SMS messages. Again, it works with Instagram, Messenger, Viber, and SMS. We don't have the WhatsApp here because our account, there's some issues with our account, but I'm pretty sure it will work with the WhatsApp application. Okay, almost all of the smartwatches that we used, okay, and have a demo with the notifications works with WhatsApp application. We did not encounter any issues at all, except that our account do have an issue right now and we are fixing it. Okay, next, let's have the Bluetooth call. Let's try if it works with our Colmi P78. So let's start. Let's dial a call. Let's call Sam. Okay, and we have here, so someone is calling, and so you have an option to answer or end the call. So Cindy is calling. Okay, so it works here. Let's try this feature, the dial pad. We have a phone call here, recent call. Okay, we have the contacts, so let's try the contacts here. Oops, again, send call, contacts. Let's call Cindy. Let's see if we can receive it here. Okay, so someone's calling, as you can see here. So it works with our smartwatch, the contacts. Okay, how about the dial pad? Let's try to call this number, 0919-809-2094. Will it work? Yep, seems like it's working. Okay, and call. Next, let's try to answer the call here on our smartwatch. Let's call Sam. Okay, again. Okay, so someone's calling, so let's answer it here. Hello, this is Sam. The Bluetooth phone call works. Bye. And call. Okay, so far we do have a successful demo of the Bluetooth phone call for our Colmi P78, as well as the SMS and app notifications. Very good so far for the Colmi P78. The only issue is it did not activate the screen when we received the notifications. I don't know if there are some settings. I will check on it. And there's no beeping sound when you receive the SMS. There's also no support for emoji as well as the quick reply, but you can read the messages on your Colmi P78 smartwatch. Again, support our channel. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!